If you are looking for a sturdy, versatile storage solution for your home or office, let me introduce you to the Sauder 419496 Miscellaneous Storage Cabinet. This cabinet is priced right around $159.99, which is a pretty solid deal for the amount of space and flexibility it offers. The classic cinnamon cherry finish really stands out. It's stylish enough for a living room, bedroom, or utility space, and gives your interior a polished look. This cabinet is all about adaptability. It features double doors that open up to reveal 4 adjustable shelves, perfect for storing anything from clothes and blankets to books or pantry staples. On top of that, there's a full-width fixed upper shelf for tucking away your bulky items. The engineered wood construction makes this unit super durable, and each shelf can hold up to 25 pounds, so you really can make the most of its storage potential. It's compact at 29.375 lx 16.02 wx 71.5 h, so you get tons of vertical storage without eating up valuable floor space, ideal for smaller rooms or tight corners. Customers rave about the cabinet's easy assembly and balanced design. Many find the adjustable shelves a game changer, letting them tailor the setup exactly to their needs. Reviews highlight its stability, with users appreciating the value for money and attractive finish, especially compared to other cabinets in this price range. Plus, that engineered wood frame means it's built to last, resisting scratches and offering a long-term storage fix. If this sounds like the storage solution you've been waiting for, don't forget, we share buy links in the description box. Check those out to grab the Sauder 419496 storage cabinet for yourself and upgrade your storage game.